How to flip camera on OmeTV. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you will be able to flip your camera in your OmeTV. So first of all, just open your Play Store or your Apple Store in your device, and after that on the search bar just search for OmeTV, and after that just simply go ahead and download the application in your mobile device. And once you're done installing the application in your device, just click on open from here. And after that just simply open your OmeTV account and just simply log in with your credentials and just set up your profile. And once you're done doing all of it, then you will be able to see this particular home screen in your device right here. So in order to flip your skin, you don't have to do much. You just simply have to see this particular icon at the bottom menu. You will see this circle icon, which basically means rotating your camera or flipping your camera. For example, if I'll tap on it, you can see that it is loading, and now the camera has been flipped. So as you can see that my camera has been flipped, and if I click on it again, it will turn out to be a front camera right here. So if you want to keep it on the back side, you can click on it and do that. And if you don't want that, you can click on it again and make it a front camera as per your liking. So this is basically how you will be able to flip camera in your OmeTV. So it is quite similar. There is not much step needed for you to be followed. So yeah, I hope you find this video to be helpful. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.